Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, I have a huge selection of phone cases for your Galaxy S22 Ultra.
That's going to come out.
Yeah, it's going to be coming out in about a week.
And this is the dummy phone? The dummy phone? Because that's the only phone like it just came out.
Yes, we have the dummy phone. Does not work. But hey, we're going to tell you all kinds of cool, we're going to show you all kinds of cool cases. Phone cases, and talk about the Whitestone Dome glass protector. All this and more coming up. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Like Lucas was saying, this is the dummy Galaxy S22
Because
Ultra.
the real one is not out yet. Only the dummy ones.
What are you chewing on anyway?
Candy.
Candy. It's Valentine's Day right now, and he is eating Valentine's candy. Anyway, we have a huge selection.
This is your favorite phone, right?
That is my favorite phone. Let's just go right to the favorite phone right here. This is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. I've been using this for years. Highly recommend it. This works perfect for me. These others might, work good for you.
And this one is just the same as his other one he has right now.
Right now I am recording with the Galaxy S21 Ultra.
And it looks just the same. And the one, want to see my favorite one?
What is your favorite one?
This one.
That is
the armor?
This is called the Cam Shield Armor Case. What he likes about it, it
has a sliding door.
It has a sliding door. I wish they would all have that.
Yeah, that would be so cool.
All right, so I can see.
And it's also tough.
It's tough. Kind of has this part right here is a tough plastic, but when you're not using the camera, you can close up the door here. Also has, what is this thing?
So it doesn't scratch it.
This has kind of a kickstand and also a place to put your finger. It takes a giant finger, so you got a lot of room. So you can't drop it. It's like, whoa! No, he didn't drop it. It's holding on to there.
So you can put, like if you have a big thumb, little thumb, it doesn't count on size.
No, they also make a couple other different ones right here. You'll see that, and like I said, they have got that little sliding door. Those are from Cam Shield Armor. And let me get back to the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. That comes, where's that set up there? This comes in 3 pieces, and when you snap that in there, right here, that'll snap onto your pants or your belt loop. You can rotate it, okay? I usually don't use this too much, but it's great when you're traveling. Check this out. This has a built-in kickstand. Look at that. That is awesome.
Do the example.
Now,
you can put it up here.
I don't know about last year because I checked out all the colors, but it looks like this year they have 2 new colors. That's the silver one and the clear white one. What he's doing is it's kind of cool. You can attach these to your jacket, and you could be recording. It'd be like a first-person filming if you're doing something like that. All right. Hey, we don't have much time. I don't want them to wait too long here. Let's show them a couple other cases. These cases are from Shieldin. They are kind of like a billfold type of
I got one.
foam protector. You can put your credit cards in here.
What is this even?
Your dinero. Close it up. Really slick. You can put that in there.
What is this for?
That card right there, on most of all of these, it is it's supposed to be an RFID blocking. So if some spy is trying to scan your information, I guess it's supposed to block that. So I have no idea how that all works. It's top secret agent. But anyway, this is pretty cool. You can just put that right into your pocket there. And when you're at the party, you're just kind of like this. Oh, you want to see my Galaxy S22 Ultra? Bond, James Bond. Pretty cool. Hey, Touch, I believe that. They also make a phone case like that. They are.
They're 2 different kinds.
Yeah, they're 2 different kinds, but they're really similar. But
they're 2 different kinds of companies, but I think they're making the same phones.
We don't know, but it's really similar. I guess we had some phone cases fall off there. iBlazon, they have awesome colors for your phone.
Seafood color too.
Look at that. This was one of Lucas's favorite one. This is a kind of like a marble, golden marble. Comes in a 2-piece with a built-in screen protector. Let me take this out here. See? And don't take that sticker off of there because that's where you will set up your fingerprint.
Well, this is a seafood one.
That is a see-through one. I guess if you want people to see the backside of your phone. Hey, I'm just looking at this. Our battery level is going down. We got all kinds of phone cases right in here. We will have links down below for all of these phone cases.
And in the description down below, there's going to be all the videos we have on these phones.
Here's the Whitestone Dome glass
And
protector.
we have that video too.
The lens protector right
We
here.
have that video too.
All these cases. Make sure you check out our tips and tricks on this phone. We got it all here on our product review channel. Stay tuned. There's going to be more exciting stuff. Please subscribe. Send us candy. And call your neighbor. Just have fun. All right. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. We'll talk to you later. Adios.
Bye.
Bye-bye.